Hi everyone. So welcome back to Dart programming language course. So now in this video we'll see about the string. So one of the very important data types available in any programming language. So let me just define a very simple string. So string definition will start with the string as a keyword. So let's say I'll define like a temp variable. And let me just define hello Dart. Okay, so this is the string definition. Now let's just print it. Okay, so hello Dart. So hello world because we have already given this hello world in a very first video. So let me just comment it, this part. Okay, now let's see what are the operations we can apply on the top of this. You can say like a string variable. So I can use like a length. I want to find how many total number of characters are there in this particular string. Okay, let's just run it. So there are total 10 characters are there. So 5 characters up to hello, then 1 space, this is a 6 character. Then after that Dart is another 4 character. So 5 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now let's say I want to find the index of let's say E. I'll give this, let's say E, and we'll define like a E index. Okay, and let me just print E index. Okay, so ideally it should give like a, this is the second index of E. Let's just run and see. So it's a 1. So indexing here starting from 0 and then 1. Let's just change E to, let's say, D. So just think about it for a second that what it should be. So it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we are expecting 6th. So it's a 6. Okay. Let's see some more function we can apply on the top of this string. So let's say I want to find the substring of this particular string. So let's say temp dot substring. So I want to start from, let's say, 0. So starting index will be 0 and the second argument will supply it like a end index. So let's say from 0 to 5. And let me just define another string. Let's say sub. And print it. Okay. So it's starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Let's just make it 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 has been excluded. We can even try for, let's say, 2 to 5. So only 2, 3 and 4 will be included. So 2 will be this one, 3 and a 4. 5th won't be included. So this way you can say extract the substring from your original string. Now let's say we want to split this string based on some character. So let's apply the split method. So let's say I want to split based on this particular space, and whatever the output we'll get, which is a type of list. So I'll just write like tm. Okay, and let's just print tm. So based on this particular space, it will split this whole string into multiple chunks. So one is a hello and another one is a dart. Let's say I want to split based on the O. Okay, so this is O. So it will cut the string at this particular place. So now it's a HELL, and then after that it has removed this part, and remaining part it has taken space and a dart. Okay, so this way you can split your string. You can even print let's say some part. So like I want to print just the first part, so I can just use like a 0th index of this tm. So it's a HELL. I can try for the first part. It's actually second part, but index with the number 1, because indexing here starts with the 0. So second part is a dart. Okay, so far so good. Let's say some more methods. So we'll write like it. So there are a number of other methods like a replace all. So you want to replace some character with some other character, you can go ahead. You can use like a lowercase. So whole string you want to lowercase it. You want to find whether your string ends with this set of character or not. So it will return a boolean. So you want to do the uppercase of your method or your string, you can go ahead. So there are a number of other methods you can explore yourself about this thing. Okay, one method I want to introduce like a contains. So whether this particular string contains, let's say O. So we have one O here. So let me just print this statement directly. So it contains O, that's why it should return a true. Now let's say I'll just write like a E. So in our string hello dart there is no A, that means it should return a false. Okay, we have A actually, my mistake. Let me just make it B. B is not available. So it's a false. Okay, so we have seen a couple of methods we can apply on the top of this string variable. You can explore more methods. So that's all about this video. See you into next video.